Car for us.
Hey,
stop.
Don't do that.
Law enforcement officers are dedicated to protect everyone in the society. To achieve this, they need to be helpful and sympathetic to everyone, even the criminals.
Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to reach out with your right hand, undo your door.
Although a criminal may be reluctant to receive help, an officer should offer it regardless.
I don't know what they didn't tell me to appear to anything.
From someone on the run calling 911 to an officer making sure even a self-proclaimed sovereign citizen is treated right. Here are some incidents where law enforcement made sure the criminals are treated as humanely as possible.
Do not move. I'm not gonna hurt you, man. But don't hurt. I'm not gonna shoot you, okay?
The first incident revolves around 37-year-old Aaron Trumbull. On July 7th, 2022, the Vernon County Sheriff's Office received information from another county regarding the search for a male involved in a serious ongoing case. The Wisconsin doc was preparing to issue an arrest warrant for him. Later that day, law enforcement tracked the individual's phone, determining his location. A deputy monitoring traffic soon spotted the male's vehicle in Genoa and attempted a traffic stop. However, the man accelerated and evaded the deputies for several miles. In an ironic turn of events during the pursuit, the suspect decided to give 911 a call. The officer located Aaron's vehicle and decided that he would not try to engage him until other officers catch up with them. Eventually, the officer decided to conduct a traffic stop. Instead of stopping, Aaron started to accelerate.
19, that plate, Adam, Mary, Victor, 6587. We're still going eastbound, coming up on Munsec. 19 to 17, RO comes back out of Eau Claire. Pretty sure this is our guy.
I see that. I'm hustling your way.
10-4, I'm not going to initiate anything until you guys get here. 19, Vernon, I'm going to try to initiate a stop here, County N, Nora, by the church, before we get too far. 10-4, we're signaling, turning right on County N, Nora, going south. And he's not stopping. Starting to accelerate. 19 Vernon, let 2 know, 1080. Speeds are 75, low traffic. He's staying within his lane.
Another officer soon joins the pursuit. The officers were notified by the dispatch that Aaron wanted to stop but was afraid of the cops. Apparently, he called 911 in the middle of the pursuit and told them about his willingness to stop.
If he stops or crashes, just wait till another officer gets there before you make contact.
10-4.
Southbound on County N towards Westbury.
Be advised he's going to be stopping here. We got the suspect on the phone. He wants to stop. Be advised.
That's fine.
19, I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. You said he's going to stop. We're on the phone with him.
Could you stop? You hear me, Aaron?
10-4.
Burn on all cars. I lost phone contact with the subject. Just information. He is scared. He wants to stop, but doesn't want any harm done to him. Just information for you on that. I did lose connection.
The officer then turned off his sirens and addressed Aaron through his loudspeaker system. He encouraged him to pull over. Aaron finally pulled over, and the officers quickly apprehended him.
Aaron, pull the vehicle over. You'll be fine. Pull the vehicle over. Let us talk.
I'm angling that way, but if he calls back in and you want me to speak with him, I certainly can do that.
Aaron, pull the vehicle over and let's talk about this. Aaron, stop the vehicle and we can talk. Pull the vehicle over so we can talk.
Southbound on 35, southbound on 35.
Bill, can you get out ahead of him there and cut him off?
Before we get to the top lane.
Pull over!
14 or stop and
35 right in front of Brino.
See your hands! Do not move. I'm not gonna hurt you, man. But don't hurt. I'm not gonna shoot you, okay? Alright, I just want you to keep your hands up.
I got you.
Okay? Is the vehicle turned off?
Yep, the keys are right there.
Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to reach out with your right hand, undo your door. Open it from the outside. There you go. That's alright. That's fine. With one hand, reach down, take your seatbelt off. Okay, step out of the vehicle and face back towards the vehicle. All right, what I want you to do is take 2 steps back towards me. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, stop. I want you to go down on your one knee. Doesn't matter which one. Down on the other one. Cross your legs, one ankle over the other. I want you to bring your hands on top of your head. Interlace the fingers. Do not move, okay, Aaron? I'm not gonna shoot you, man. Bring your hands back. Bring your other hand back.
Aaron was then placed inside a police cruiser. Upon inquiring, he told the officers that there were no firearms in the vehicle. However, there were ammunition inside. Aaron then asked the officer what would happen to him.
Oh, sure. All right. I know, man. I appreciate you ending it the way it did, okay, man? I didn't want anything bad to happen to you or me, so I'm glad you stopped for me, okay?
Any other weapons or anything in there, Aaron?
That I'm aware of. Actually, there is some ammunition in the passenger door from the guy that I bought it from.
But you don't have any guns in there or anything like that?
Just out of curiosity, where am I going? Are y'all taking me back to Eau Claire? Or
So you're going back to Viroqua right now, because this is Vernon County? Okay. So you're going to be going back to Viroqua for now, and then Eau Claire is going to make arrangements to do whatever they got to do to talk with you. Okay, man?
Like, so I'm being charged and staying here, or how does that work?
It'll be whenever they come down to get you. You're going to have some charges here, obviously, for running from us, but...
I just didn't know if they would keep me here for that.
Yeah, I don't know what they'll do. You'll see the judge tomorrow on our stuff anyway, right away, so then it'll be up there for them.
The officer informed Aaron that he had a warrant. While transporting Aaron to the jail, he asked him if he heard the officer talking through the loudspeaker system earlier. The officer also told him that he would not press any charges revolving around his license. He then listed all the things he will charge him with. Regarding the other case, Aaron was wanted for sexually assaulting, threatening, and holding hostage his girlfriend and her 2 children for 5 days.
So right now you have a warrant out of DOC, out of your probation. I don't know any of the details other than that they issued a warrant for you. I think it was today. You're just into Crawford County here. You're not going to get anything in Crawford. You're like literally 50 feet in. We're not going to charge you for Crawford County, man. Well, you'll have felony fleeing. Again, I'm going to tell you, it could have gone a whole lot worse. I appreciate you, you know.
Literally, man, every time, like, don't get me wrong, some of the that she tells them, because this is all with the old lady, some of the she tells them is right.
Okay.
But then she just makes up a whole bunch of crazy. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm a man, I'm not perfect. I f***ed up. I did something, I'll own it, you know what I'm saying? But she just takes it way beyond.
I hear you, man.
Not trying to justify it.
No, I get you. I got you. So could you hear me talking to you on the PA when we were going through town?
Not at first, because I was on the phone, my 911 call had hung up.
Yep, because right here's a really bad spot for service, so.
I tried to call them again, and then they answered, and I was talking to them, and that's when I kind of heard it. I was like, wait a minute, is he talking to me? Because at first I thought it was just the phone.
Oh, okay.
And when I heard it, that's when I turned, I was like, all right, I'm stopping.
Yeah, because I most certainly did not want anything to happen to you, man. It's not who I am. It's not what I am. I've been doing this stuff for like 26, 27 years now, man. I'm just out here to try to make sure everybody goes home at the end of the night. Oh, you just never had a license issued, is that? Well, I'm not going to jack you harder on that side, so. I got to write you one operating without a license, but if you start digging into them, if we did operating after revocation or operating after suspension, it can be a misdemeanor, and I'm not going to jam you there. That's going to be a question for them up there. I honestly don't know anything about, I don't even know who she is, to be 100% honest with you. Is it like a 72-hour domestic no contact? Or? Oh, okay. I'm not going to make up some bullshit. I'm not going to lure them into something. I'm going to tell you, you know what, man, you f***ed up. We got to go deal with it. I've had a lot more respect from that than anything else. So, honestly, I'm charging you. Now, my DA can override me, but I'm giving you 3 citations, traffic tickets. One was for operating without a license. One is for no insurance on the vehicle. And the other one is the passing and a no passing when you pass that semi. That's the only one that really scared me. Beyond that, I'm not worrying about anything else traffic related, and I'm charging you with fleeing, which is a felony fleeing. And that's it. That's all I'm rapping on you.
As a result of the pursuit and his previous felony warrant, Aaron Trumbull was charged with kidnapping, 7 counts of first-degree sexual assault, 3 counts of intimidation of a victim, physical abuse of a child, 2 counts of false imprisonment, 3 counts of strangulation and suffocation, causing mental harm to a child, vehicle fleeing or eluding an officer, 2 counts of misdemeanor battery. He was released after a $500,000 signature bond. While Aaron sought help from the police in the middle of a pursuit, our next individual technically had no police to ask help from, as she claimed to be a sovereign citizen. But before that, let's see what happens when someone decides to run from the cops when they already know where she lived.
No! Come get me now!
The whole affair revolves around a 22-year-old woman named Shala Jordan. It happened on November 26th, 2022. The place of the incident was La Crosse, Wisconsin. An officer conducted a traffic stop of her due to her vehicle speeding over the limit. The cop asked Shala why she was driving at high speed. She claimed her speedometer was broken. Police suspected the smell of alcohol coming out of the car. He then went back to his cruiser to run a background check of Shala.
Can you put down this window? I always go to this side, just so I'm out of the road. But, so the reason I'm stopping is just for speed, because West Ave is 25 and you were going about 42. That says you're going 25?
Yeah, I got this about 5 years ago, so maybe...
I gotcha. Yeah, so, I mean, I just saw you, basically saw you moving what I thought was a highway speed. I gotcha. You have your license proof insurance on you? Alright, I gotcha. And then where are you coming from today? GSP. What's GS? I'm sorry. What's GSP?
GSP is George Street Pub.
Oh, I got you. Okay, yeah. Stressful night.
Yeah, I'm just trying to...
I understand. Do you have just proof insurance for the car? And then, so I do smell some toxin coming from the car. Not super strong. Yeah, I got you.
I'm trying to stay up. I got 2 kids.
Yeah.
She just had in here. She just spilled it on my floor.
Okay, I understand. Yeah, so I mean, I'll let you work on the insurance, and then I'll just do my side of things, and we'll get you home, okay? Alrighty.
The police officer discovered she had a warrant, and her license was also suspended. Suddenly, she became aggressive and shouted at the cop for being late. The cop warned her, but she refused to follow their commands.
Okay. Shala, I'm trying to get your stuff done. I'm just trying to get your stuff done here, okay? So you getting out of the car is only making it longer.
You got a speeding ticket. Don't take 30 minutes for that. I've had them before.
It hasn't been 30 minutes. I promise you that.
Bro, it's taken like 45 minutes for this right now.
Okay, you want to go sit back in the car for me?
No, bro. Like, literally, hurry up, bro.
I'm trying.
I'm not doing shit. I went 5 over because of my f***ing speedometer, bro. I can't f***ing afford to get that fixed. I'm a single mom of 2, bro. I don't got shit else to do, bro.
Alright, can you go sit in the car for me, please?
Please hurry up, because I'm not trying to do this right now.
I know.
I got an entire license. I got full coverage insurance, everything, bro. I'm not trying to play with you, dude. You trying to do too much. Can you follow me home up the street 1 block?
2 cops told Shala about her warrant and politely asked her to come out of the car. However, she got angry with the cops and called her mother. Later, she fled the spot with the car despite a warning from the cops. They decided not to commence a pursuit.
So, Shala, you have a warrant, okay?
For what? I'm on bond. Yes, I know that.
Yeah,
I have court.
You have a local 99.
A local 99? What is that?
It's a local warrant. I apologize.
I don't know what that is.
Okay. Can you step out of the car?
No, can you tell me what that is? Absolutely not.
Good.
Mom, can you come get me?
52,
Because they're trying to take me to jail for nothing. You guys slammed me on my face, and yes, I tweaked out because they slammed me on my face downtown on Oktoberfest when somebody else was fighting. Somebody else.
Shala, so it sounds like your warrants are just for failure to appear. Okay.
I don't know what they didn't tell me to appear to anything.
Okay. Can you just step out of the car?
No. No. Mom, what the f*** you mean, Shayla?
Let me go to the officer.
No, come get me now.
Alright. Can you please step out of the car for us?
Hey,
stop.
Don't do that.
The police officers located Shala's car. They found out that she hit another car. Furthermore, the cops called their sergeant and informed her about the incident.
Did she hit you? She just jumped up on the curb.
No, my other half right here just woke me up from sleeping and said that somebody just hit my truck, and I'm like, excuse me? I mean, it's literally just a little scratch. I don't give a shit. She's like, somebody, she said that it was hard hit. I don't know.
It sounded a lot worse than it was.
Yeah, I mean, she had to have smacked the curb here.
I just came out here because I seen that.
That's her friend there. She's going in to talk to her, so We'll see. If she don't come out, I'll just write up a warrant. Hey, Sarge, it's Carol. So she's at her house. Her friend is going in to speak to her. I mean, she's took off on the stop, about hit a car across the street. I was smelling alcohol on her. She has a no drink and a no bar. She told me she was at George Street Pub.
Did you tell her that she had the warrant, or?
Yeah, I told her. That's what, I mean, she was like getting out of the car when I was doing her paperwork, and oh boy. I think she was hitting stuff on the way over here too, so, oh yeah, yep.
Shala's mom came out from her house, and it seems Shala also struck her mom's car. Her mom was pretty upset with her daughter's behavior. The officer tried to explain the situation.
That's your car there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, there's some damage on the side of it over there.
That's okay.
Well, we'll still do like a accident report just so you can give that information to your insurance company. Yeah.
We're in the car.
I was trying to keep her calm and stay calm.
Yeah, I know. I heard you. I heard you. You aren't.
I mean, even if she just talks me through like a door so I can get her statement of how this happened, that way I don't have to cite her for hit and run.
I mean, she has a warrant.
How much is the warrant?
It's a misdemeanor warrant. I don't know what the bond is. 52. What's the bond on Shala's warrant? So the bond is $750 for that warrant. Also, I understand she was scared and she's got a lot going on, but she can't take off from a stop like that either.
Finally, Shala came out and got angry with the police officers for trying to arrest her in front of her children. She repeatedly threw tantrums. The cops handcuffed her and started to escort her to the police car.
Stop knocking on my door. You ain't got no work. You can arrest me down the stairs because you're not going to do it in front of my child.
All right.
Excuse me. Go down there.
You coming down?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
For some that's not my fault. You slammed me on my face for another fighting. I don't give a
Okay.
You don't. No.
Put your hands
I'm
behind your
going
back.
in the car. Let's go.
Stop.
No, we don't have to stop. Go
Yes,
to
you
the
do.
car. Go to the car because my
relax
kid
for
is
me.
watching. My child is watching.
Your kid
Please,
is
I don't
upstairs.
care what that. No, I don't care what that is saying. Please go towards the car. Please. I'm not doing that. Please go
Shayla,
towards the car.
just put your
I'm
hands
not
on her
having my child watch.
She's not.
Go
she's not
towards.
looking at
I'm
you.
not. Not.
Okay.
I don't want to be next to my house. Please go to my
Shayla,
car.
put your hands
Go
behind
to
your
my.
back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No. If you're not going to,
Stop.
I don't care. I don't give a. If you're not going to do what I say for some I didn't do, you already slammed me on my face. You weird ass white people. I hate white people.
Okay.
I hate white people. I hate
to be
you.
cool about
I hate
this.
you. I don't care. You're not cool. You're not cool. You're weird. You're white. And you're white. And you think you have power. You $18 an hour ass. You're weird. You have no power. You have no power. None. That's why I'm already suing this entire police officer, whatever the I'm suing all of you. I was spit in your
52,
face.
we're 95.
Hurry the up. Hurry up.
All right.
You
let's
already
go.
have me.
Go.
Hurry up.
You gotta
Hurry up. You already have me. What the did you
We
punch
have to
me
lock
in
your
the face?
handcuffs.
You already locked them.
No.
Hurry up. Hurry
Let's take this
up.
one.
Hurry up, bro. No, because I have kids you don't.
Police officers took Shala to the car. She was full on rage and throwing various slang words toward the cops. Although the law enforcement officers were nice and calm, she didn't seem to cool off.
Hurry up! Close the door. Close the door. I don't need no f***ing nothing. I don't need no safety, bitch. I don't need no safety, hoe. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. What the f*** is y'all mediating for? Hurry up. Hurry up. People got lives, dumbass. I got a job. I got shit to do, stupid ass bitch. You're literally taking unnecessary ass time. Oh, it's cool. I'm gonna grab myself up out of this bitch.
The cops told Shala about all the charges against her. She didn't intend to listen and threw another temper tantrum. At one point, she even kicked the car's door and started shouting. Later, she was taken into custody.
Okay. I was very calm with you.
I understand that, but I'm scared of police officers because of what they did to me.
Okay, and I'm sorry for what happened. So you have some citations coming as well for driving while suspended, the speed.
I'm not suspended. Why is it saying that?
I don't know.
I keep paying them. Why do they keep... They were... Oh my God, bro. I keep fixing that. They keep f***ing me over, bro. I've been paying this for 4 years, man. Oh my God. I hate being black. I hate this shit. Everything I do is wrong. Everything.
So
I'm not a drug addict.
I'm just gonna
I'm not
explain
a crackhead. I'm not a f***ing
You have a
alcoholic,
citation
bro.
for unreasonable and imprudent speed. The cost is $136.60.
I was going 5 over the speed limit, if anything, because of my speedometer is off.
Okay, but when you took off from the stop?
From a stop. You guys said that shit from when I left my house. You said that I f***ing sped off from my own house and that I was a drug dealer. And then you said that I f***ing robbed somebody from down the street.
Citation for operating while suspended.
I don't give a f***. Don't read me that. Blah, 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 blah. I don't hear shit. I don't hear shit. I don't hear shit. Because you're a liar, bro.
You have no citation for speeding.
You're a liar. You're a liar. You're a liar. I don't give a f***. I don't hear shit. All my kids, I don't hear shit. Blah, blah, blah. I don't hear shit. You can read everything. I don't give a f***. Bring me outside. Bring me outside. Bring me outside. Hello. Bring me outside. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Shala was charged with 1 felony count of vehicle, fleeing so eluding the office, and 3 misdemeanor counts of resisting or obstructing an officer, disorderly conduct, and bail jumping. She was later released with a $1,000 signature bond. As mentioned before, now we will see what happens when a cop meets a sovereign citizen.
It's not registered.
You're not driving, you're traveling, same thing as last time?
I'm traveling, yes, you know that.
Okay.
The incident happened around a 38-year-old woman named Dominique Camel. On September 2nd, 2023, in Berea, Ohio, an officer recognized the woman's Chrysler as she drove east on West Bagley Road before turning onto Seminary. They had pulled over her car for fictitious license plates back on March 9th. She was given a citation and court date, but ignored all legal proceedings, and a warrant was issued for her arrest. At the time, the woman, a self-proclaimed sovereign citizen, had a suspended driver's license. The woman was still driving with fake plates. The law enforcement officer handcuffed Camel and tried to take her into the police car. An officer tried to explain the situation, but she became argumentative with him. The officer then placed her inside the cruiser.
I have a shoulder thing. So please don't grab on my shoulder like that because my shoulder is, it will dislocate. Call my mom, CJ. Let me lock my door.
Okay, hold on.
What's wrong with you? Just grabbing on me like that. So full of shit.
Okay. What, can I lock these so they don't tighten up on you?
Give me my phone. Oh, hell no. I have to call my mother.
Okay.
Let's come on.
You never got a plate for the car either, right?
No, and I'm not. It's not
never
registered.
Got a license? Okay.
It's not registered.
You're not driving, you're traveling, same thing as last time?
I'm traveling, yes. You know that.
Okay.
You know that.
Okay. You can't have stuff in the backseat, okay?
This is mine.
Okay. I'm not going anywhere with it. You just can't have it on you. Simple as that. Okay.
So I can't have my debit card either?
Yes, no, I can get everything for you. You just can't have it in the backseat.
Why can't I have my keys?
Because you can't have anything in the
Okay, but I
backseat.
don't want you touching my keys.
That's fine, but you can't have it.
Okay, but I need to call my mom so she can come pick me up.
Well, you're not getting picked up. You're in jail.
Okay, but I can still get out.
Yeah.
Okay,
absolutely.
so I need her to come pick me up.
Okay, and we can make that arrangement when it gets there, okay?
Fuck off me.
Ma'am, you never laughed, okay?
No, you need to get the off me.
Okay.
You know goddamn well I ain't in your jurisdiction. You just want
jurisdiction.
Prejudice.
What jurisdiction do we have?
I'm not in your jurisdiction.
Are you in the city of Berea?
You're not even supposed to be touching me.
You're in the city of Berea.
Another officer arrived at the scene. The first cop searched Camel's vehicle. He found out that she was using a fake identity on her sovereign citizen ID cards. He was also able to find her actual name.
Donovan Tinsher. I know 73's on duty, but he's taking care of those cats.
Alright, I'll check on it after I check on the 06 has.
1606 radio. Could you start Rich's for a tow? And did you get anything back on that VIN?
I did not get anything back on that VIN. What is her name?
Copy. I believe last time I stopped her in this vehicle, I asked for a note to be added. (1606) radio. I have a first and last name when ready.
Good.
First name's Dominique, David Ocean Mike, Ida Nick, Ida Queen, Union Edward. Last name is Kamel, Charlie Adam Mike, Edward Leakin. Can't have a licensed sovereign citizen, but I'll get a weed card.
The police officer found out that Camel had a court date. He then informed another officer that Camel did not have a proper license plate. He also noted that despite being a sovereign citizen, she had an Ohio ID.
Court date was March 24th. What's up?
I have no idea what she's rattling on about. She's not a sovereign citizen, she's just a sovereign, and she's got Supreme Court rights to convey.
Who is this pulling up?
She said her mom's on her way to pick up the car.
Doesn't have plates. Got a private license plate.
What's this car? Or
yeah, it has no license plate.
I know it does. That's what I told her.
Oh.
Yeah.
Here's the ticket I gave her before. I don't understand how she's sovereign, but she has enough of Ohio ID to get a medical marijuana card, a medical marijuana.
You can't talk to those people. They just drag you into a circle of fucking. Like I don't know what she's talking about. Well, I'm not a sovereign citizen. You just said you were. I'm sovereign. Okay.
The police officer was still searching Camel's car. Interestingly, he found a number plate inside the vehicle. She also possessed a suspended driver's license. Camel was transported to jail and the vehicle was towed from the scene.
Yeah. (1606) radio.
1606.
I have the last registered temp tag for this vehicle. It's Paul 645128. Just for info.
She was charged with resisting arrest and several additional violations, including the active warrant in Berea. If you enjoyed today's video, subscribe to see more.